expectation says that a principle stating that what you confidently anticipate, whether positive or negative, often will become your reality. It is a principle stating that what you confidently anticipate, whether positive or negative, will become your reality. Now, it suggests that if we expect success, if we are believing God for success, success will occur in our lives. But if we speak negatively, the negative will occur in your life. So this is a principle. It's a principle. It's a principle which, if you believe, if you expect good, good will come out. If you expect negative, negative will come out. I've always used the example of the 12 spies who went out to go and spy the land. They were all looking at the same land. They were all looking at the same opportunity. But somehow, the 10 had a negative expectation. But there were 2 who had a positive expectation. They saw the same thing, but their expectation was different. Masbugu David, when he faced Goliath, they all saw the same giant, but David's expectation was different. So we are going to face challenges during the course of this year. But what do we expect?